How to see your Facebook Messenger call history. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy and how you can view call history on Facebook Messenger. Well, previously you could easily find the call tab on Messenger once you open it up down below, and you can head into call tab and you could find the call history. Now, however, it's not the case anymore. Facebook doesn't, or Messenger doesn't provide you any option to view your call history itself. However, on iOS, it is possible. On iOS, if you head into your phone or call tab, you'll be able to view your history, and there you'll be able to see any Messenger calls as well. You can see Messenger audio. You'll be able to see all your Instagram, Messenger, or any social media history right here, so you'll be able to see your Facebook Messenger as well. However, within the Messenger app, you won't be able to view it, so it's not possible to view on your Android device. If you use older versions of Messenger, you can get it from Google Chrome. There you might be able to find your call history. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.